Hey everyone, the Lenovo Y9000P 2025 Extreme Edition is Lenovo's latest flagship gaming laptop, specifically tailored for the Chinese market while closely mirroring the international Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 in terms of hardware and performance. The Y9000P 2025 stands out visually with the addition of RGB lighting across its chassis, an aesthetic upgrade aimed squarely at gamers who appreciate bold and customizable design. While the global variant features a more subdued Legend-branded look, the domestic version proudly retains the iconic Y-shaped Legion logo, reinforcing its identity within Lenovo's high-performance gaming lineup. Under the hood, this machine is an absolute powerhouse. It runs on Intel's top-tier Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, which is paired with NVIDIA's flagship RTX 5090 GPU. This combination is designed to handle even the most demanding games and creative workloads with ease. Backing that performance is a massive 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, although the base model starts with less, and a lightning-fast 1 terabyte PCIe 5.0 SSD ensures quick load times and responsive multitasking. The display is another highlight of this machine. The Y9000P 2025 sports a stunning 16-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1600. It supports a high refresh rate of 240 Hz, boasts 500 nits of brightness, and covers 100% of the DCI-P 3-color gamut. With Dolby Vision and Visa True Black 1000 certification, the screen is not only fast but also visually rich, with deep contrast and vibrant colors, ideal for both gaming and content creation. To keep the powerful internals cool, Lenovo has integrated an enhanced cooling system capable of sustaining up to 250-watt total power draw, ensuring the CPU and GPU can maintain high performance under load. The cooling design supports long gaming sessions without thermal throttling, which is critical for competitive gamers and enthusiasts alike. The laptop also brings an immersive audio experience with its quad speaker setup tuned with Nahimic audio, delivering clear sound whether you're in-game or streaming content. Complementing this is a 5 megapixels webcam paired with dual microphones, making it suitable for high-quality video calls or streaming sessions. Connectivity is another area where the Y9000P 2025 excels. It features a full suite of modern ports, including HDMI 2.1, Thunderbolt 4, USB-C with 140-watt power delivery, 3 USB-A ports, a 2.5 gig Ethernet jack, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Wireless communication is equally future-proof thanks to support for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. Powering all of this is a 99 watt-hour battery paired with a beefy 400-watt charger to ensure the laptop can be quickly topped up even after heavy use. At 2.72 kilograms and with a thickness ranging from 21.9 to 26.6 millimeters, the laptop maintains a reasonable profile for a machine of its capabilities, portable enough for travel, but solidly built for desk use. Overall, the Lenovo Y9000P 2025 Extreme Edition is clearly positioned as a premium offering for serious gamers and power users. It combines cutting-edge performance with eye-catching design and high-end features, making it one of the most complete gaming laptops on the market. With a price tag around $3,440, it's a significant investment, but one that delivers flagship-level performance and user experience across the board. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.